You are given exactly 60 seconds to answer this question. If you're done with your answers, you can skip the timer and proceed to the discussion portion to verify whether your answers are correct or not. If you may, you can share your answers as a comment in the comment section below. If you need more time, you can pause this video in any moment you want. Your 60 seconds starts now. This question might be too long, but actually this is just very easy when you analyze it carefully. We are there given here with cosine theta being less than 0 and sine theta being greater than 0. Let's talk about that on our unit circle. We have this unit circle here. Again, if we know that any point on this unit circle has distance of 1 from the center. But here we are not talking about distances nor the specific coordinate of an arc or a coterminal arc. We're just talking here about at which quadrant will this condition will be acceptable. Where do we find that angle? Where do we locate theta? Okay, first is theta is or cosine theta is less than 0. Okay, take note that cosine theta is the equivalent notation for the x coordinate. Okay, that would mean if we have here a point like this and say x and y, our cosine is this x here. That would mean our sine theta, as given here, being greater than 0, that would mean our y. So very simple as it is, this would mean what quadrant is where x is less than 0 and y is greater than 0. That is where we are going to locate our theta. Okay? So in this case, which quadrants will have x being less than 0? It's actually this quadrant 2 and quadrant 3 because this is where the x values are negative. But which of this will complete y is greater than 0? So y is greater than 0 is here, this region. Therefore, we're talking about this region here. The answer for theta, or the location of theta, is in quadrant 2. Because the cosine theta is less than 0 or x is less than 0, negative, and our sine theta is greater than 0 or y is positive. That is actually found on the second quadrant, and that is the location of our theta. We just don't know what theta would it be, but theta is somewhere here. This is where we could see our theta given the condition. Thank you for watching.